we are going to E-wrap. And this is the tensioner I use. This was actually a crown tube. You can go to Walmart. Sometimes you can buy them in like the dollar section. A lot of your craft stores and stuff will carry them too. Crayola does make some, but if you can get the generic, you can usually get a pack of 8 of them for $1. And if you don't have those, you can take a Bic pen apart and use the tube for it. Or just use the tube that comes with your loom. Alright, so for the E-wrap, let me move this just so in case you're unfamiliar with the E-wrap. It's called the E-wrap because it's kind of like a cursive E wrapping around the pegs. So you wrap behind and you go all the way around. I will make a note here. This is something I started doing when I do flat panels that only have one stitch. Like if you're doing a blanket all E-wrap, it will curl every which way it can. But if you look right here, this yarn is coming from this first peg and it's already pointing that way, and that's the way the yarn is wanting to go. So if you work with that and just go the way the yarn is wanting to go, it won't curl as bad. This project right here, there is absolutely zero curl to it. It's I call it a flowing project because the sides of it will have a bit of a wave to them and kind of a little bit of a ripple in it that just really gives it a lot more character, and I love. So we are doing the E-wrap, and see, this is going this way, so I'm skipping this peg and I'm just going to wrap this one, and then we wrap. This is a very large project you're going to be working on for a while. Expect this project to take 40 to 50 hours to complete. If you are an avid loom knitter and you're a very, very fast loom knitter, you might be able to get it done in probably around 30 hours. But for the majority of people, it's going to take 40 to 50 hours because you're going to have to get used to doing the stitches, and some of you, this will be the first project you have ever done. Alright, there. I am back to first peg. I'm back to my first peg, which what I do is you just loop around it, and then take your loom hook, take that bottom peg, which it's going to be tight because this is your cast on. Oops. Take that bottom loop and pull it over the top, and that locks it in place. I'll show you a few more times. Let me flip this around this way. Adjust my lighting. Okay, so right here is our cast on row, and this is our E-wrap row. Bottom over the top. You want to push that down. I mean, you don't really have to at this point because your next row is going to be a purl row. I do just from habit, so, but it does go faster if you don't. You're just taking that bottom over the top, and this one is going to be kind of tight, so you want to be careful. That's why I say watch your tension. Have the last couple now from that first E-wrap row, and there we go. All right.